Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see how to factory reset your Mac in macOS Sonoma. So let's begin. First of all, before resetting your Mac, make sure that you have backed up your data. You can do it via Time Machine or using any external hard drive. I have used my external hard drive for the backup. So let's continue with the reset process as we have backed up our data. Let's continue with the reset process. First of all, open up your system settings, then click on General tab. Then click on Transfer or Reset. Under the Transfer or Reset section, you will see two options. First, Migration Assistant. Use this if you want to transfer data onto another Mac. But in this video, as we are focusing on resetting our Mac, so we will choose the second one. So let's click on Erase All Content and Settings button. Here you will require administrator credential. So let's put the password and proceed. And make sure that you have ejected your external drive if any inserted. Let's click on Unlock. A window will appear stating that all your data will be wiped off permanently. Also, you will be signed out from your iCloud account. Now enter your iCloud password to sign out from your iCloud account and click on Continue. It will take some time. Also make sure that you have synced your essential data in iCloud. After confirming, let's click on Continue. Now you are just one click away from wiping off your all data on this Mac. So let's proceed. Let's set up our Mac. Now you have successfully factory resetted your Mac. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.